Nature Friends! Yay!
Hi, we're the Nature Friends, and today we'll be showing you how to treat nature with kindness and respect.
Never touch poisonous plants such as this.
Oh God! Poison ivy! Oh God! Itchy! That was good. Pretty quality.
Okay then.
Wait, go ahead.
And remember, nature can be fun.
Oh God. Oh. Oh God, no. No.
Like, don't chop down innocent trees or something.
Always remember, don't chop down innocent trees. Ah, you criminal!
Oh! No.
That's good. And remember, never litter.
A little bit
Dude,
trash.
stop littering.
I didn't litter. Ow! Ow!
Okay. Well, that came out of nowhere. Hey guys, quick!
Another thing to remember: never get lost in the woods like we are.
Sorry, there was a mistake.
One thing to always remember: never get lost in the woods like we are.
The trail is right.
Well, I'm lost, okay? There's no trail there.
You need to take a right at the big tree.
Which big tree?
The big one.
What
you
kind of
make a
directions are
left
these?
on the branch with the moss. And then you make a left with the leaf.
That leaf or that
No,
leaf?
that one up there.
That one.
That one.
No, what about that one?
No, the leaf right there. It's like
I'm
right
so
there.
lost! I have no such direction.
Dude, ask Siri. Ask Siri. Oh, gosh. How about that nature and stuff? Oh, God! Oh,
What?
bugs
What's
in
wrong?
my eye. Oh, man. Oh, freaking hate nature.
Flush it out.
Oh, but it's in my eye.
Here,
There's no water.
I'll smack it for you.
Oh, there's no water.
Come back here.
There's no
Come on, I'll
water.
get it for you.
Oh, it's in
I'll
my
get it for
eye.
you. Come on, here. Come on, I'll get it for you. Come on.
I'll show you nature.
I'll smack it for you. I'll smack it.